we are going to test it to ensure that it is working fine. So we need to check the connections. Checking. Welcome guys once again. Today I want to show how to remove the drying tub electric motor, the motor that powers the spin dryer of the twin tub washing machine. Sometimes you need to test this electric motor outside the washing machine, or perhaps you need to replace the motor completely. So we want to show you the step-by-step process to remove the motor out of the machine, and do this one in a few number of steps. So make sure you follow step by step to the end of this video so that you can learn every bit of it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Like the video and subscribe to the channel, and you can also become a member of this channel by clicking join under the video. Also, if you want to show some appreciation to our work, click thanks under the video so that you can say some word of appreciation to us by buying super thanks. Alright, let us go and see how you can do this. So the first step is to remove the top switches. Remove the top switches on top of the machine. Then next, you need to open the back cover that covers the compartment where we have the electric motor, wiring, and the rest. Most jobs that you do with the washing tub, the twin tub washing machine, you need to open the back cover to access the internal parts. So we start by identifying the wires for the motor. I'm getting the wires out first. First step, then we disconnect the wires motor out of all the connections inside the compartment. The spinning drum is going to be disengaged, so I've unlocked that. We have unlocked that from here, locking the two screws from the shaft of the drum. Having done that, we need to remove the motor from the bottom. So what we do is this: to turn it upside down first. So as to remove the screws from the bottom. So we have the screws right here. 1, 2, 3. Screws 1, 2, 3. Those are the screws that hold the spinning motor. So we need to remove this cover. So the entire bottom cover will be removed to actually reveal the motor, so that we can bring the motor out. To do that, we need to remove all the screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have removed the screw for the motor. So here is the motor, and then you can bring it out. Alright, here is the earth terminal. We have the spinning motor. We are going to test it to ensure that it is working fine. Here is the spinning motor of iSense washing machine.